Jackson County is receiving $1.7 million from the state for 2 different fire station projects. $1.2 million will help replace the Big Point Fire Station. Earl Etheridge, Jackson County's Emergency Operations Director, says it was built in the 1970s and no longer meets the county's needs.
Our station was built in the 70s and it's way past its life expectancy. Fire trucks have changed over the years. They've gotten bigger, taller, longer, and this station, the newer fire trucks won't fit in the fire station anymore, and the station is deteriorated over time.
The county plans to demolish the old station and rebuild on the same site.
And the best course of action is going to be to tear the station down to the ground and rebuild a totally new station.
Another $500,000 will partially fund a fire station on Old Fort Bayou Road. Etheridge says the station is needed because of growth in West Jackson County.
So with this new subdivision coming in, we're having to build a station to service that area, plus service some areas back to the east that's been growing up near the high school.
Etheridge says the Old Fort Bayou Road station is also expected to cost about $1.2 million, leaving the county to cover the other $700,000 beyond the state grant. Etheridge says the county plans to base both new stations on the Saraceno Road Fire Station, which opened last year. Reporting for the Roy Howard Community Journalism Center, I'm Justin Glowacki.